In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share calendars in Microsoft Outlook. Sharing your calendar is a great way to keep your team, your manager, or even your family in sync with your schedule. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through exactly where to click, what each option means, and how to make sure you're only sharing what you're comfortable with. First, open Microsoft Outlook on your computer. Make sure you're in the main Outlook window where you can see your email. At the bottom left, you'll see different views like Mail, Calendar, People, and so on. Click on Calendar. This switches you from your inbox to your calendar view, where you can see your events laid out by day, week, or month. Once you're in the calendar view, look toward the top of the window for the ribbon. You should see a tab labeled Home for the calendar. In that tab, find the option that says Share Calendar or Share. This is the button that lets you send your calendar to other people. When you click Share Calendar, a new window or email message will open. Outlook will usually show your main calendar by default. If you have more than one calendar, make sure the correct one is selected. In the To field, type the email address of the person or people you want to share your calendar with. You can add multiple recipients if you need to share it with a whole team. Next, look for the Permissions or Details options. This is where you decide how much information others can see. Typically, you'll have choices like only showing when you're free or busy, showing limited details like subject and time, or full details that include all event information. If you're sharing with colleagues, showing limited or full details can be helpful so they understand your availability. If you're sharing more broadly, you might want to stick to free and busy only. You can also add a short message in the body of the email to explain what you're sharing, such as which calendar it is and how you'd like them to use it. When everything looks good, click Send. Outlook will send an invitation, and the recipients can open or add your calendar to their own view with a couple of clicks. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can quickly and safely share your Outlook calendar and make scheduling with others much easier.